Hey guys, it is 2025 and a lot of natural hair girlies are willing to retain so much length in this year 2025. So guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all the things you have to do before you embark on that long time protective hairstyle challenge so as to retain length and get the best results. And I'll be sharing that why I try my hands on African DD cornrows. Okay, so guys, let's get started. Okay, the first thing you have to do is to wash your hair. Yes, you have to start on a very clean scalp and hair. You have to wash your hair so that your hairstyle are not going to start itching few days after you install them. Washing your hair will help remove product buildup, clogged pores, and any form of dirt from your scalp, okay? So that the hairstyle you are going to carry for a long time without having any form of itchiness, okay? The second thing you have to do is to deep condition your hair. Deep conditioning your hair helps to put back moisture into your hair strands because deep conditioners contain lots of oils and butters. Oils and butters that are contained in deep conditioner helps to strengthen your hair, moisturize your hair, and keep them soft and healthy for a long period of time. The third thing you also have to do is moisturizing your hair strands. Moisturize your hair with any butter or oil that you have. Oils and butters can actually penetrate deep into your hair strands and strengthen them and also keep them moisturized. The hair is basically made up of protein and fatty acids with glycerol, so that is why you need oils and butters in your hair care routine. The fourth thing you have to do is choosing the perfect hairstyle. Yes guys, embarking on a long-term protective hairstyle doesn't require any kind of hairstyle. You need to choose a hairstyle that is not so tight on your scalp and a hairstyle that you can also take care of your hair strands in them. And that hairstyle is preferably a hairstyle that doesn't require you to use extensions. You can actually choose between mini braids or mini twist or jumbo braids or jumbo twist. Just do the style that you'll be able to take down, the style that you'll be able to install without having to feel so lazy or without the style stressing you out. That is why you may choose the jumbo, not too jumbo, but a braid that you can easily take down and also install by yourself. And why natural hairstyles are very, very important if you want to embark on a long-term protective hairstyle for length retention is because you can actually take care of your hair in those hairstyles. You can moisturize your hair, reach your scalp, oil your scalp in this type of hairstyle. And for those that say you cannot carry mini twist for a long time, no, you can actually do that. There is a YouTuber I know, a natural hair YouTuber, that wore mini twist for complete 3 weeks and her hair did not matter because she started the mini twist with braids, okay, so that her roots are not going to get matted up. So if you want to choose mini twist, go ahead and do mini twist. It is actually okay. Now that you have chosen a hairstyle that is perfect for your hair type, you have to also take care of your hair in that hairstyle. And taking care of your hair in that hairstyle requires you to wash that hair in any protective hairstyle that you put it in. And you have to wash your hair at least 2 times in a month. But don't go a whole month without washing your hair. You can wash your hair 2 times or once in a month to avoid any form of dirt, product buildup on your scalp. Now that you have washed your hairstyle or you have washed your hair in that protective hairstyle that you are in, go ahead and also moisturize your hair. Moisturizing your hair will put back moisture into your hair strands, thereby stopping your hair from drying out, and you know that dry hair equals breakage. Another thing you have to do while in a long-term protective hairstyle is oiling and massaging your scalp. Make 1 or 2 hair growth oils, or you can purchase from the market the good oil that you'll be using to oil your scalp and also massage it. Massage your scalp for like 3 to 5 minutes. Massaging your scalp helps to improve blood flow to the scalp. It helps to improve blood circulation, which transports nutrients that are beneficial for hair growth to your hair follicles, thereby making your hair to grow out faster and healthier. Another thing you have to do is leaving your hairstyle for a long time, which is minimum of 1 month and maximum of 3 months, be it in braids or in mini twists. Make sure to leave your hair alone for a very long time. That way you are going to be retaining so much length, because you are not taking down your hair every week and also detangling, moisturizing, washing, which is a lot of manipulation, and that will make you lose so much length. So that is why you have to leave your hairstyle for a long time. Just let's say you got 3 inches of length in 3 months, and while detangling and combing, moisturizing, you lost just half an inch. That the remaining 2.5 inches will be so manageable and also visible. But let's say you take down your hair, wash your hair, comb your hair every week or every 1 month, and you retained 1 inch in a month, and after detangling, taking down your hairstyle, doing anything that you want to do, you lost half an inch. You're not going to see the remaining half inch because it won't be so visible. That is why you are required to leave your hairstyle for a minimum of 1 month and a maximum of 3 months to avoid matting. All right. So guys, after carrying your hairstyle for the amount of time that you want to carry them for, it is time for a takedown. And guys, a takedown determines if you are going to be keeping your length or losing your length. So guys, it is advisable to take down your braids or your mini twists or any form of hairstyle in a well moisturized hair. Prep your hair so that they are moisturized before you take them out. Okay, so guys, after properly taking down your hair, you can go ahead and repeat the whole process that I shared in this video. Please guys, if you find this video helpful, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and also share this video so that other people can see this video and also benefit from it. All right, so thanks for watching. See you in my next upload. And guys, what do you think about this hairstyle that I did? This is the second time I am trying my hands on this Didi cornrows, and I think I am perfecting it a little bit. They say practice makes perfect, and I can see some changes. So that is the end of this video. See you all in my next upload. Bye.